Welcome to 876 Wagwan to Ratted. Now, as you can see on your screen, the devastation of Hurricane Melissa, she left Jamaica in a horrible state. Look at that. This is in St. Elizabeth. St. Elizabeth High School got destroyed as well. Look at the classroom. Look at that. Even the Anglican Church in St. Elizabeth, that's been there for over 200 years, got destroyed. That's all that is left of that church. Now, I can tell you, we are a set of resilient people and we will bounce right back. So hold on, be strong, Jamaicans, be strong. You know, where there's life, there's hope. And I heard that some people lost their lives, and I'm truly, truly sorry for that. Look at all of this devastation, people. Look at what Hurricane Melissa came to our beautiful island of Jamaica and left us in shambles. But we are not giving up. We will continue to fight and we will overcome this. As anything else in life, when it comes our way, we are very resilient and we are fighters and we will not give up.
Be a critic, so yeah, unlock about done, boy. Yeah, done. One next and we're black of a sink. Black of a good again. Jump up there and go around with the party.
Look at the state of this road. Oh my Lord. Look at the state of this road. The water just eat out right. The sun just wash it away. Take everything with it. Pipes burst up, everything. This must be one of the worst hurricanes ever. I remember some hurricanes in Jamaica. I remember Gilbert, even though I was very young, I still remember Gilbert. But I don't remember Gilbert doing this type of damage. It could have been, I don't know. But I can tell you this is one of the worst that I've seen since Jamaicans are experiencing hurricanes. Mighty God. Look at that. Oh my Lord. But I'm still grateful, God, for life. Thank you, God, for keeping us. Thank you, God, for sparing our lives, you know. And as I said, we will definitely bounce right back. It's gonna take some time and it's gonna take some effort, but we will definitely bounce right back. Oh Lord, have mercy upon our country. Look at that. Look at that. That is what Hurricane Melissa did to our country. Our beautiful island of Jamaica got destroyed by this wicked, monstrous woman, Melissa. She came to destroy. That's her intention, and that she did. But as I said, we will not give up. We will continue to hold on, because that is why we are Jamaicans. We little but we talawa. We not give up. We're going to find joy in everything. And we are a set of prayerful people. And I said, we are resilient. And this is not going to stop us. Not going to stop us at all.
The confirmed death toll from Hurricane Melissa is now at 19. 8 bodies have been recovered in St. Elizabeth, 2 in St. James, including a child, and 9 in Westmoreland. The search and rescue teams are still out there, and as I have any other numbers, I will let you know. I know this is not numbers you want to hear, but we are doing our best to get to everyone in the affected communities.
Let's just continue to pray for Jamaica. Let's continue to hold on, because God will see us through. Thank you guys for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. Tell a friend to tell a friend about 876 Wagwan to Ratted. Have yourself a wonderful day. Bye for now.